This is Iron Man Duck, aka Dead by Dawn Gamer, here to bring you a how-to video. A lot of my Twitch streaming friends have asked, how do you make a customized sound clip? So I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to show you two different things: how to set it up in your channel as a blurb, where it'll play for channel point rewards, and also how to download it. If you need any more advanced help, just let me know, and I'll make a more advanced video. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to blerp.com, BLERP.com. From there, we're going to create, okay? So to create, you just hit new blurb, okay? And from here with the new blurb, as you can see, it says YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, etc. Okay, right here is the URL. So what I've already picked out a little sound bite I'm going to make here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to YouTube, so we're going to take the video URL, and I'm going to go left here, okay, and then right click it and copy. So we've copied that address, we don't need that anymore. Then we right click here and then we paste. Okay, now it's doing its thing to encode the little video. Now, and this part I've already figured out the timestamp I want is 25 seconds, so around 25 seconds. So I'm going to put this about 23 or so here, right? So that moves this. Now if you look here, see how this 11 seconds has this exclamation point? You can only make the sound bite about 10.60. Okay, so you can slide your bar left and right depending on where you want the sound to add. If you want it shorter or higher, you can do that. So what we're going to do, because these are the bottom ones, you can make it shorter or longer. Just can't go over the 10.60. So we're going to push play.
I have come here to chew.
Now, as you can see, this dot here is starting a little bit further back here where I want my clip. So I take this left, and I want it about, I think it was about 24. As you can see on the bottom left there, it's a start point. So we'll do 23.7, and we're going to do it about 11 or 10.60 seconds. Now you just push play. Come on. Okay. So see, the bar's going to where I want it. You can just hold left click and hold this one till you get to where you want to be at. Come on. So we want it about, yeah.
I have come here to chew
there we go.
And chew bubble gum.
So I'm holding the left mouse button.
I have come here
there you go.
to chew bubble gum and kick ass.
So I stopped it right there with the left mouse button.
And I'm all out of bubble gum.
So now left mouse, pull it in a little bit there.
I have come here to chew bubble
about
gum
1060.
and kick ass.
I'm holding the left mouse button.
I have come here to chew bubble gum and kick ass. And I'm all out of bubble gum.
Okay, so I'm going to pause this now. Because I've got this at the point I want it at. And from there, I just hit next. And from next, sometimes you have to name this. The video can be public, unlisted, or private. I do mine as public, and then you just hit publish. Yeah, got it as public, confirm. And then you just hit this arrow right here, go to the right. Now it's making your video, or your little blurb. From this screen right here, you can go ahead and hit open the blurb. And then at this part, go ahead, and if you want to save this, you would just download the theme, or download your clip in case you needed it for alerts or whatever. So just download that to have it if you want it for something else.
I have come here
so you
to
click
chew
the three
bubble
buttons
gum
there, it brings up this. Then the left dot's here, just download there, and then it's in your download folder. Okay, so we can go ahead and exit that. Now we want to add it as a blurb, right? So all we have to do now to add it as a blurb is up here on the upper right, click here, go to your channel points, right? So you clicked your profile, you clicked your profile, you went to channel points. Now here, you click your library, okay, because you just made a blurb. and we want to add this. So we're going to left click on the plus button. Now sometimes you've got to rename things. So we're just going to call this one because of TOS is on Twitch. So we're just going to call it Chew Gum. All right. And then this is how many channel points is going to be. We're going to set this one at 75. And then if you wanted to cool down, you could connect your cooldown here, 1 minute, 5 minutes, whatever. This is how many times it can be redeemed in this stream. I like chaos, so I put no cooldown, no limit. Then you do add reward. Okay, it should think. Now you see the chew gum reward here. So now we'll do a little test, see if it worked.
I have come here to chew bubblegum and kick ass.
And bam, now you got that customized reward.
And I'm all out of bubblegum.
And that's it. That's all there is to it because now on your Twitch channel where the channel points are, you'll see it right down there. Let's go test that out real quick and see if I'm right. So let's see your Twitch. Okay, we're gonna go to my Twitch, and then we'll go down to my channel. And then if you go if you go down here to the chat, we'll look at the channel point, and look, there it is, chew gum, and that's how you have customized rewards. Hope this video was helpful. Till next time, have a good day. This has been Iron Man Duck, aka Dead by Dawn Gamer, and remember, people will accept you for who you are, and if they don't, maybe they're not your friend. Till next time, take it easy. If you have any questions about advanced videos, let me know and I will help you. Signing out.